this video, we are going to study tokens. So every meaningful entry, that is individual words and the punctuation marks in a program called as tokens. And the collection of these tokens means keyword, identifiers, constants, operators, symbols and strings known as C program. In this video, we are going to study keywords, identifiers and the constant. So now keywords. Keywords are the reserved words. The meaning of these words are already known to compiler. These are predefined words already defined by the C developer. In C language, there are total 32 keywords and all keywords written in small case letters. Because C language is a case sensitive language, keywords are the part of syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. For example, int house. Here, int is a keyword that indicates house is a variable or identifier of the type integer. Now we will study identifiers. Identifiers are the user-defined words. Identifiers refers to the name given to entities such as variables, functions, arrays, etc. For example, int house semicolon and double building semicolon. Here, house and buildings are identifiers. Also remember, identifier names must be different from the keywords. Rules for creating identifier names. First one is, it must start with an alphabet. Both uppercase and the lowercase letters are permitted in identifier names. Sequence of alphabet, digit and only underscore symbol is permitted for joining two different words. Identifier should not be a keyword. Now we will study constant. Basic constant refers to the fixed value of C language. The value of constant does not change during program execution. Basically, these constants are divided into two types, numeric constant and the character constant. Now numeric constant. Numeric constant refers to the sequence of digits with or without decimal point and with or without sign. Example 10, 25, 3.5, etc. Integral constant. This numeric constant is divided into again two types, integral constant and the real constant. So now integral constant. Integral constant which refers to the sequence of digits without decimal point with additional sign. For example 5 minus 35, etc. Real constant. Real constant refers to the sequence of digit containing decimal point with or without sign. Examples are given below. These real constants are again divided into two types. Real constant expressed in a decimal notation and real constant expressed in a scientific notation. So real constant refers to the sequence of digit containing decimal point. It represents fractional part with or without sign. For example, minus 3.14 or minus 3.5. Real constant expressed in a scientific notation. It refers scientific notation, that is exponential notation, mantissa exponent with or without sign. For example, this. Now character constant. Character constants are divided into two types, single character constant and the string constant. Any single character from C character set enclosed within the pair of single quotation mark known as single character constant. Example, in a single quotation B, single quotation C, 6, etc. String constant. Set of characters enclosed within a pair of double quotation mark is known as string constant. For example, in a double quotation Srushti or in a double quotation Yavatmal, etc.